How to change your Genshin Impact username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Genshin Impact account username, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, I will show you what the issue actually is. If you wanted to change anything of your Genshin Impact, first of all, you have to come to genshin.hoyoverse.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Once you go to genshin.hoyoverse.com, you'll come to this page and where you have to simply sign into your account. Once you sign into your Genshin Impact account, just hover your mouse over your account user ID on the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the option that says account. Just click on the account button. Once you click on account, here you can see my current username is actually asterisked out, which means it is hidden. If I want to view it, I can go to account security settings, and here you can see my username. But the problem over here is that I cannot change my username here. So right over here you can see linked. I just can hover your mouse icon over it and then just click on link and so on. I can change my email, I can change my mobile, I can change my password, but for my username it is basically locked out. So how do we change it? Well, first of all, you have to understand that Genshin Impact doesn't allow its users to just change a username like that. However, I do have an alternative solution for you, and that is to simply contact the Genshin Impact customer care. So when you contact customer care and tell them that you really want to change the username because maybe you misspelled it correctly or whatever else, you want to change it, for that you have to scroll down to the bottom, and then here you'll find terms of service, privacy policy, FAQ, and then you'll find the contact us button right over here. As you can see, you just want to go to contact us. Once you go to contact us, here you will find their email address, which is support_@hoyoverse.com. We're basically going to copy their email address, which is the official email address, right? And then we're going to just go ahead and then open up our mail. Once we open up our mail, what we will do is we'll just compose a new mail by just hitting the compose button, and then under the to section we will just paste the specific email that we copied, which is the Genshin Impact support. So in the subject page, you can just type in Genshin help needed. So just go ahead and type in help needed with username or anything else that you think is convenient for you. And once you type in help needed username or anything else, it could just be related to the subject that you're actually talking about. In the body section, you just want to mention to Genshin Impact that you want to change your username because for some reason you cannot change it and you just misspelled it correctly, and now you really want to change it. And once you do so, they're going to get back to you with a positive answer. But keep in mind that aside from the official way, this is the only thing that you can do. If they get back to you, that's perfectly fine. If not, then you have to move on with the current username. That's simply what Genshin Impact has put limitations to us for. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.